Hello guys, I'm once again. Welcome to Everything Smartphone. I hope you are in safe place right now. Well, Xiaomi launched their Mi 10 series smartphone to the market. As usual, I am here to give you an idea about this smartphone. So Xiaomi released Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. Both phones are pretty much similar except price and camera. So in this video, I'm going to present 5 best features of Mi 10 series smartphone. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and get started. In the design perspective, Xiaomi always plays on safe side. This is nothing different than that. They have gone for full screen display with little bit display cutout camera on the side, which is really tiny, and in the glass back panel they have added 4 camera on the side, which looks cool, especially if you look at the other flagship smartphones. These smartphones are the same dimension and weighs about 208 grams, which is comparatively low as others, but the fact is, phone has no official IP rating for dust and water protection. Mi 10 series has 6.67-inch AMOLED display panel, which is currently #1 ranked display in DxOMark. Display has 1080 x 2340 pixels resolution with 19.5 by 9 ratio. Pixel density is quite low, though it has 386 ppi pixel density. As usual, it has DCI P3 color gamut mode, HDR10+, 90Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits brightness as well. This curved display has best true color among all the smartphones. It shows nearly similar color what your eyes can see in naturally. As for the protection, smartphone use Corning Gorilla Glass 5. This smartphone contains latest Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor along with Adreno 650 GPU, and it has X55 modem to provide fastest 5G network. While talking about the storage, it has 8GB LPDDR5 RAM with 256GB UFS 3.0 internal storage. This combination of hardware scored over 600,000 in Antutu benchmark score, and it runs on latest Android 10 operating system along with MIUI 11. By this smartphone, Xiaomi introduced the 108 megapixel camera. In fact, this is the second smartphone in the market which contains 108 megapixel camera. Well, now check out the other camera modules. First of all, start with Mi 10, which has of course 4 camera in the back. Start with 2 megapixel depth sensor lens, then 108 megapixel f1.69 main camera which contains optical image stabilization, then 2 megapixel macro camera, and the last camera is 13 megapixel ultra wide lens with f2.4 aperture. On the other hand, Mi 10 Pro has 8 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.0 aperture and optical image stabilization, and then 12 megapixel telephoto lens with f2.0 aperture, and then 108 megapixel main camera which remains same in aperture and stabilization, and the last camera is 20 megapixel ultra wide lens with f2.2 aperture. Beyond that specification numbers, there are many things that should be discussed. Of course, that will be ultra high resolution 108 megapixel camera which can provide sharpest image quality among all other smartphones in the market right now. If I talk about image quality, there will be a lot to be discussed, but better you see the image quality here. Well, now talk about the video quality. First thing first, it can shoot 8K video. Yes, you heard right. This camera is able to shoot 8K video at 30 frames per second. As usual, it can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second too. With combination of software and hardware, it can able to shoot portrait video. So it separates your subject from background not only in image anymore, but now it is available in the video too. and it is like you are shooting in professional camera. On the front, it has 20 megapixel camera as well. It can shoot sharpest selfie with awesome bokeh. Also, it is able to shoot 4K video too. Well, weirdly, in battery section, Mi 10 version contains more battery than Mi 10 Pro. Mi 10 has 4780 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charging capability, and Mi 10 Pro has 4500 mAh battery with 50 watt fast battery charging capability. Both smartphone models supports 30 watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging capability. Well, it has good quality sound too. It has dual 1216 speaker on it, which produce true surround sound that no other flagship can produce. And talking about the price, Mi 10 is available at €799 and Mi 10 Pro is available at €999. So that was all about Mi 10 series smartphone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Then please do like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about our future updates.